Now to that list, I forgot to add our cup of Parmesan cheese. Join me while I make a quick and easy meal, chicken shrimp Alfredo. It's really simple. All you need is garlic, Parmesan, heavy whipping cream, parsley, butter, and fettuccine noodles. Season your shrimp and your chicken cutlets and put them to the side. Then you want to saute your chicken. I use this indoor grill because I like the little grill marks. And I just sauteed my chicken on each side. I would do my shrimp the same way. However, I got the pre-cooked shrimp. So with that, I didn't grill those. But if they would have been fresh shrimp, I would have seasoned those and put them on this grill as well. Make sure your grill pan is nice and high. Look at them. Make sure you don't turn them early. You see here where I'm trying to move it. This right here is letting me know that it's not ready to flip. She'll let you know when she's ready to flip. See, look, nice and easy, ready to flip. Now, once both sides have those grill marks, I just cut them up and just make sure that the chicken is done throughout. Now I'm getting my water ready for my noodles. Added some oil. These noodles, I guess, are considered fresh or semi-fresh. Just boil them for about 2 minutes. That's all you need. The rest of the cooking time will be in the sauce. Now it's time to start working on our sauce. We have our butter. To this, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. And we're going to make sure that we whisk. We're gonna constantly whisk, therefore we won't get any scorch, it won't burn. So you're just gonna whisk. Look at that. Yes. So then we're gonna add, after we combine this really well for about a minute, we wanna add our cheese. So we're gonna add our cheese. And we're going to continue to whisk so we don't get any scorch or burn. Yes. Now to this, we're going to add our garlic. And I usually use a teaspoon of garlic. Whisk that in there really well. And then I use fresh parsley. I just chop it up really well and use a couple of teaspoons of parsley, but, measure at your own leisure, whatever you think, your own taste. That's how I do it. I have no exact measurements when I'm cooking, but if I'm baking, then of course I do. All right, now we want to add our noodles. And she's gonna, if she's not all the way cooked through, she's gonna cook through in this sauce. From here, let's add our chicken. Stir it up really well. Looks good already. Now let's add our scrimps. All right. Combined it well. Let it simmer. And bam! Yes! There we go. It was delicious. I tell you. You should try it.